This is Rachel from Rachel Bennett School of Bellydance, Fitness, Fun and Fabulousness in Windsor and Maidenhead, Woking and Berkshire, UK. And welcome to my studio, where I'm going to be sharing with you today tips on how to do your Egyptian walks like a belly dance movie star. And in particular, my inspiration comes from Taher Karaoke, who was part of the golden age of Egyptian cinema. Now, quite often in her costuming, Taher Karaoke would have been wearing heels. And believe you me, they could be exceedingly high heels. So normally with your Egyptian walk, you're walking on flat feet. That's most probably how you've been taught it, and indeed I have a free tutorial on how to do that. In case you're watching this and you're thinking, actually, I'm not sure what you're talking about, or I'm not quite there yet, if you have a look on the playlist for this YouTube clip, you'll be able to see my free tutorial on Egyptian walks. Once you're comfortable with your Egyptian walks, then we can look at taking them up a notch and giving them some fun variations. So, going back to imagining you're in really high heels, you need to be lifting your heels like a demi-releve. And you can help with good posture, so you can pull in all your muscles and have a nice open neckline. There we go. And then you can work your Egyptian walk with lifted heels, and it gives you a nice variety. It's quite fun, it's quite delicate. It can still be very big and bouncy. And of course you can travel with that. So come around with me, take a little walk. Now it's up to you what you do with your arms, it's your creativity. I'm just giving you a nice standard arm swing here. But of course you can have hands on hips, or Taher might have been playing her zills with the arms up in the air. And of course you can actually do this in your heels as well, why not? It's a very different use of your leg muscles, certainly, when you raise those heels. And you can go really high. You could wear really high heels or just go really, really high up. You'll find as the higher you go, the movement gets smaller. Good posture, strong muscles, and you can still get a nice Egyptian walk feel. And you can always add a little variation, taking your hips on a slight forward twist. Just going backwards, showing a little bit more of the footwork. And of course you can travel, so you can play your imaginary zills. Let's get going, have a little practice. Now you can leave out the hip twists and just keep the hips square on, or you can add them in. Either way you get a really lovely shimmy effect. And of course, shimmying wasn't per se happening at Taher Karaoke's time. It wasn't something that she would have done specifically, but you can create these shimmy effects with your Egyptian walk. Another thing that Taher Karaoke did was she would dominate with the left hip. And this gives you a really nice variation on your Egyptian walk. So all you have to do is have that hip forwards. Now, I'm mirroring you, so I'm going to work with this hip. You work with your left, but the truth is you can work with either hip. Come up onto your toes as high as you wish. And just give yourself that lovely variation. You can take this walk sideways. You can swap legs at any time. Come on, take a little walk with me. Let's walk like an Egyptian. One of my favourite moves, lifting my hair up as I Egyptian walk. So there we go, lovely variations on your Egyptian walks, inspired by Taher Karaoke. And I look forward to producing a little sequel to these Egyptian walks as well. You take care. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more student toolkits to help you complement and enhance your belly dancing. Let's go forth and be fabulous together at rachelbellydancer.com and bellydanceheaven.com. We look forward to seeing you. Bye!